There's a close relationship between Leesburg Regional and the community and the team members that work at the hospital. The hospital is now 50 years old, and as part of that process, there's been generations of people that have called Leesburg Regional their community hospital of choice.
I've been associated with Leesburg Hospital, Leesburg Regional Medical Center, from the beginning of Leesburg General Hospital in 1973 when I came.
I was born here and actually worked for the physician who delivered me. And then my son was born here as well on the anniversary of the hospital.
My family, I would see them, they would come home, they worked here. And they would always tell me the stories, and I could see like the look of pride and how like happy they were. And you know, and I thought, well, I'm like, wow, when I grow up, I want to be just like them. I want to work at Leesburg Regional too.
My grandmother was one of the early contributors living here in the community that identified that we needed a hospital. So over 50 years ago, when the community was looking for a vision to provide care, they contributed what they could to the overall health of this community.
I think the purpose of the hospital here in the community is to improve the health care and the lifestyle of the people in the community.
I think the fact that the hospital has grown has shown a big impact on how much they do care for the community and the needs as a whole, because even though we are a smaller community, they're continually evolving and growing and trying to adapt to the needs of the culture.
Before, residents would have had to travel outside of Lake County, Sumter County to get that type of care. We've brought that here for them, and I think that's a tremendous benefit.
And you've got to be in the game with the big city hospitals and facilities, but then again, that's where we're so good.
We have upgraded the care of our patients in this area dramatically, and I think that that will continue to grow.
We feel we offer outstanding patient care at Leesburg Regional. We have the third largest heart surgery program in Florida. That program's been built up over the past 10 years from a small start.
When my father had open heart surgery, it was very important to have the very best local care that we could possibly have and be right in our own neighborhood.
I trust these people. These are my family, and I know the kind of care they provide, and I wouldn't have my family anywhere else.
There is a feeling of community, of closeness. People care about how you're treated.
It's a privilege to work beside people who dedicate their lives to improving the health of others.
I am so proud to say that I am a team member at Leesburg Regional Medical Center, and I always just want to say I'm a family member too. I'm a family member of this huge family here.
I just love being here. Yeah, I say I'm going to work. I don't say I'm going to volunteer.
And there's not another place that I would rather go to work. I really enjoy being part of this facility and seeing it grow.
You can be very proud of your doctors in this community because it's not just a few, it's every doctor, I think, holds that dearly in his approach to his medical practice.
To me, the hospital is much more than just a place for people to go when they're sick. It's kind of a cornerstone organization that many communities don't have.
We are extremely grateful to the community of Leesburg and the surrounding region for their ongoing support. A community hospital would not work without the support of the members and the citizens who live in the area.
Thank you for investing in healthcare. By having a vision for your families, for this community where you gave and continue to give to support healthcare.
And because of the fact that it has been so successful and stood the test of time for this 50 years, I have no doubt just nothing but success and more camaraderie with patients and more patient satisfaction over the next 50 years.
The great thing about Leesburg Regional is that we never forget who's the boss. You know, the boss is really the community. It's really our patients. So we feel that the hospital is well positioned for the future to grow our medical services and also to work hard to provide better care for the community.